Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a barn, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to go slightly off to the left-hand side of our piece of paper because our barn is going to be on this side and our silo that is going to be attached to the barn is going to be over here on the right side. So we're going to start with a dot towards the left side of your piece of paper. From this dot, we're going to make a diagonal line and a diagonal line. And then we are going to make another diagonal line coming down like this. And you want to make sure that your two diagonal lines end up about the same. I think I need to extend this one just a little bit more. There we go. Now let's close this up like this. And what we're going to do is on the inside of this, we are going to make more diagonal lines and this line to be straight down here at the bottom. Watch what I mean. So we go like this and we follow along with those first lines and then we close that up at the bottom. So this is the roof of our barn. Now inside this section, what we're going to do is we're going to create a window. So we're going to come down, we're going to go across, and we're going to come down. We're not going to close up the bottom part because what we're going to do here is we're going to put some hay that sticks out of the bottom. Okay, so let me show you how I did that. I came out from the bottom of our window and I just made some zigzag lines and then I closed those zigzag lines up with a curved line. So it looks like a little bit of hay is coming out from our barn. Now let's go down here to the bottom and create the bottom part of our barn. So a straight line and a straight line. And then we're going to close up those two straight lines at the bottom. Inside here, we are going to make more lines that are running parallel to those initial lines. Parallel means just go along as closely as you can without touching the initial lines. So now what we're going to do is we are going to divide this shape in half like this, and these are going to be our barn doors. They open up like this or open up like this. Now what we're going to do is we are going to create some big X's here. So let me show you how I'm going to do that. I'm going to come down like this. So I started not exactly in the middle, but a little bit over from the middle. And then I just made a straight line coming down like this. This is kind of tricky to do to get in the right spot. So just do the best that you can. That's what I always try to do. Mine aren't exactly where they should be, but that's okay. Now we do this again on this side. And we follow along with another parallel line like that. And then we do the same thing on the other side. So we come down, and then we do the same thing over here. Come down and come down. Keep in mind, humans are not machines, and I'm not working with a ruler net right now, so things are not going to be exactly straight. And that's okay because it gives things more character if they're not exactly straight. That's how I like to think about it. All right, let's move it to the top of our barn and let's put a little weather vane so it can help us determine what the weather is going to be. So we have a circle coming straight up. We have a circle with a dot inside. And then we're going to come down with a straight line. And then we're going to make two lines, one coming this way and one coming this way, and they're going to meet right in the middle. We're going to put some V's on the end of each one of those lines, and maybe even a circle down here. All right, let's move over to our silo. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a tall tower right here, and it's going to look like it's attached. So I'm not going to make it separate from our barn, I'm going to make it attached. So I think I'll start about right here, and I'll come down and I'll touch my barn. Then I will come over, and then I will come straight down. like this. And then once I get to the bottom, I close up. At the top of my silo, I'm going to make a curved line like this. And then inside, you can make a window if you'd like. I've not seen a lot of silos in my life, so I'm just kind of decorating it the way that I think would look nice. If you want to make this look different, please go ahead and do that. All right, so let's make the ground that our barn is sitting on. So basically, I made a line here. I jumped over my barn and my silo, and then I came out the other side because I don't want to go through it, because if I don't go through it, then it'll make it look like the barn is in front of this line. That's what I want. That's the look I want. Then I want to put maybe a little bit of grass. Then if you'd like to put something in the background, go ahead and do that. Maybe I'll put a fence. So to make a fence, we make 2 lines and then a V at the top, 2 lines, and then a V at the top. And then we have a line, jump over, a line and a line, and we do the same thing with a parallel line. And then we do this once more down at the bottom. So it looks like a little fence. We can even bring it out to this side if you'd like. Now I think I'd like to put a few nice big fluffy clouds in the background, maybe just 2. And if you'd like to add a few animals, small animals down here at the bottom, if you have room, go ahead and do that. It's up to you. All right, thank you for watching my video. I'll see you next time.